Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make KFC-style coleslaw. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 cups of finely chopped cabbage, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, and 2 tablespoons of minced onion. For the dressing, have on hand mayonnaise, milk, buttermilk, sugar, white vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. The key to authentic KFC coleslaw is very finely chopped ingredients. Use a food processor or a sharp knife to mince about 8 cups of green cabbage into tiny pieces. Next, shred 1/4 cup of carrots. Finally, finely mince 2 tablespoons of a small white onion. This precise preparation ensures a consistent texture throughout your salad. The dressing is where the magic happens. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of milk. Then, add 1/4 cup of buttermilk and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Finally, incorporate 1 1/2 tablespoons of white vinegar, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix until everything is smooth and well combined. Now for the final steps. Gently pour your creamy dressing over the finely chopped cabbage, carrots, and onion in a large bowl. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every piece of vegetable is coated. This step is crucial for flavor distribution. Then, cover the bowl and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Serve chilled and enjoy your homemade KFC-style coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.